Now, what do you think it is? Stop?
I have no idea.
No idea at all?
No.
Okay, open it up.
Oh,
Wow.
no.
Do we have to
Oh,
stick
nerds.
it?
Look at all that stuff.
We have to pour it out, don't we?
You ready, lady?
No.
Come on.
Okay. Just don't get any of it. Oh my gosh, it's rat.
The rat?
This it's the biggest present.
Alright, hang on. Move the box out of the way. Alright.
Come on. It's Kelly! Something like It's a Kelly gumball machine! Tape.
So you like it?
Yes.
Tell Uncle
Maybe
AJ.
we can figure it out. I like it, I like it, I like it.
Okay, what do you want to say something to Uncle AJ?
Thank you.
Alright. You want to say anything to Aunt Jessica? What do you want to say to Aunt
Thank you,
Jessica?
Uncle Adrian and Jessica.
Do you love it?
I love it. Only if we can figure out how to get it out. No, you're still at help. I'm like, no, you're still at help. Oh, be careful. Ow!
There it is.
Yay. Where's the gumball?
There's the card.
I'm impressed with how they wrap them.
Read the card.
I have no idea what
All right.
it says.
Okay. Open it up. He opens from top to bottom. Okay, it says, homemade and heartfelt holiday wishes. Merry Christmas. We miss you guys. We hope you are settling into your new home. Love, Jess and AJ. Okay.
Read this.
Please place this protective paper over the front of the card and envelope before mailing.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to go into timeout and get this set up, and then we'll go back online.
Who said you could be the director?
I want to try a gumball. I want to see if it works.
Lainey,
Need a pair of scissors.
look at me. Sit down next to your gumball machine.
Okay.
Look at me.
What?
Thank you.